Today we're going to solve 4 minus 4 times 4, all divided by 2 times 2 minus 2. We will look at the common error that leads to an incorrect result, and then use strict algebraic rules to solve it step by step. Let's first look at the incorrect way this problem is commonly solved. Many people instinctively calculate across the top line from left to right, doing 4 minus 4 to get to 0, and then multiplying by 4, which equals 0. Even if they get the bottom line right by coincidence, dividing 0 by 2 gives a final incorrect answer of 0. Now let's solve it the correct way. When treating a large fraction, think of the top numerator and the bottom denominator as separate layers. According to PEMDAS, multiplication must be executed completely before you can touch any subtraction. This means that we have two mandatory starting positions, 4 times 4 on the top and 2 times 2 on the bottom. Let's do the multiplication for both parts. On the top line, 4 times 4 equals 16. On the bottom line, 2 times 2 equals 4. This simplifies our running expression to 4 minus 16 on top over 4 minus 2 on the bottom. Now we can finish simplifying each layer by performing the remaining subtraction operations. On top, 4 minus 16 equals negative 12. On the bottom, 4 minus 2 equals a positive 2. Our fraction is now down to its simplest form, negative 12 divided by 2. Perform the final division step to complete the problem. Dividing a negative number by a positive number always gives a negative result. So, negative 12 divided by 2 equals negative 6.